Well, here we go. It's February 10th, and the storm is letting up. You can see the hay barn collapsed a little bit more today. Also see some of the drifts. It has been one incredible day. The blizzard warning was not for naught. Quite a few times today we've not been able to see the barn, much less the big barn, because the blowing and drifting snow has just been too intense. I think we can zoom in and see some of the alpacas in the barn. We're about to go out for our evening chores. So it's been a tough 5 or 6 days here at Sugarloaf Alpaca Company, but we're all hanging in there, and we hope you are too, wherever you are.